A rational expression is a fraction with polynomials on the top and bottom. To simplify rational expressions, we always do the same two things. First, we factor everything. Then, we cancel matching factors. Step 1 is to factor the numerator and the denominator. Our expression is x squared minus 9 divided by x squared minus 3x. Let's start with the numerator, x squared minus 9. This is called a difference of squares. A difference of squares factors into two parentheses. X squared minus 9 becomes x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now we look at the denominator, x squared minus 3x. Both terms contain x, so we factor out x. X squared minus 3x becomes x times x minus 3. Now the entire fraction is factored. Now that everything is factored, we are ready to simplify. Step 2 is to cancel the matching factors. We see x minus 3 in the top and x minus 3 in the bottom. Now we write what remains after cancellation. The simplified expression is x plus 3 divided by x, which is the final answer. Go ahead and try these examples on your own. Follow the steps and explanations provided to check your answers. To simplify rational expressions, always remember this rule. Factor everything first. Cancel only matching factors. Never cancel terms that are being added or subtracted.